What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make double treble buddy like Stevie Ray Vaughan. This is 2 slabs of ribs in 1 crock pot. You know, football season is upon us, and this is a great game day treat. It's so good, I got my tongue tied. So, let's get into it and let's show you how to make it. Now, you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, you watching the game and making barbecue, where's that beer, buddy? Well, you know, actually, I kind of had to slow down.
With the lie detector determined, that was a lie.
Oh, alright, I had a bunch last night. And so I'm going to need this to replenish. Now, first thing you got to do, you want to make some ribs. Got to get the ribs, buddy. And today I've got 2 slabs of the pork variety, that baby back, that good stuff. So, we went ahead and got those. And now, we're going to get my good stuff. And that's this famous Dave's Rib Rub, mister. Put it on there, rub it down, stick to it, sweet meat, like old Danny Glover in Lethal Weapon. That's where I got that from. Listen. Sweet meat. For real. So, let's go ahead and rub it down. Now, we're going to put both the ribs inside the crockery there. The good stuff. You're saying to yourself, like, couldn't you go outside and smoke that thing for like 12 hours? Well, I could, buddy, but you know me. I got time for that shit out. We're going to do it this way, we're going to do it quick, and we're going to do it now. Let's get in gear. Put your ribs in the crock, and we're going to let them suckers cook for 4 hours, man. That's long enough. You can go and play old SmackDown and pretend to be Brock Lesnar. So, you can do that for a long time. Let those go for 4 hours, and then we're going to pull them out. And when you pull them out, man, they're going to be falling apart on you. They're going to be that juicy. So, try to take them out carefully. They probably will fall apart on you, but that means they're goodness. Alright, so let's take those out, and I'm going to put just a dot of the barbecue sauce. It's not the Sweet Baby Ray's, it's the Sweet Great Value from a Sweet Pocket. So let's go ahead and put that on there. It's pretty good stuff. Just a little bit, and rub it in and make it beautiful, buddy. And once you get that done, I think it's already done. So it's time for a side dish. It's time for a bite of both the ribs in the crock pot tonight. That's what I'm talking about, buddy, because you know, you got enough ribs to feed an army, but the general's right here, so he ain't selling no insurance either. Let's get it. Alright, baby, the time has come. The ribs are done. And I'm having that first bite for myself. I'm going to have this little bite here that fell off the bones, huh? That's a good rib, sir. That rub never does me wrong. The rib rub does me right. Good stuff. And just a little sauce. You don't need no sloppy. I didn't want sloppy today. I just want that good flavor, and I damn sure got it. Ooh, it's so good. So, I want to thank you, so good people, for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, it's rib time, Big Daddy, and I just can't decide which one I'm going to have, or which one I'm not going to have. You know what I'm talking about. So, here we go. Tender.